Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to do a really quick concept, you guys. I have been tasked with doing some gift bags for a young lady. She and her friends are getting together and she wanted me to do some gift bags. Of course, you know, I was excited and I was glad to help out in any way that I can. So I went ahead and I started my little gift bag concept. So what I have on the inside, I have a custom made bracelet. I did put some lotion in the bag. Of course, you see a little spirits there. And I did solicit Kiersy Kay Designs, which is my jewelry brand. And I grabbed some earrings from there along with a custom bracelet that I did. So this is what it looks like, you guys. So what I am going to do is finish these off, okay? So most of the things and the items that I'm using are very, very simple items, y'all. My plan was for it to be a really quick concept. But of course, y'all know anytime you're creating something, it's nothing quick about it. But I managed to pull it off, okay, y'all? So I got these little baggies. Of course, you know, we can get these little treat bags from Dollar Tree. I used a little bit of gift tissue paper just to stuff on the inside. And then I added my items to the bag. So I am adding everything on the inside of the bag, just like this. All right, so we're gonna put this on the outside. I'm gonna take my bracelet. How cute is that bracelet, y'all? So here in the city, we have what we call 901 Day. So I made these 901 custom day bracelets, which actually falls on Labor Day. So I am excited about this. So she wanted to get all of her girls bracelets. So of course I got the bracelets for her. And we're gonna add just a little bit of chocolate. And I got these little lotions right here, y'all. It says, always pray, never give up. So we're gonna stick a little lotion on the side. And I also grabbed these little heart hoop earrings from my Kiersy Kay brand. And we are going to stick that on the inside as well. And then I grabbed like a little 4-pack of pins from Hobby Lobby. So I'm going to stick a pin in each bag. And I think that is it going inside of the bag. So I'm gonna take a few little shreds and I'm gonna drop some shreds just right along the side, just to give it a little to it, you know, so it won't be so plain Jane. All right, so once I got everything in, we're gonna take a little bit of this ribbon and we are going to tie our bag off. It feels like it's been forever since I did a gift bag or basket concept, y'all. How have you guys been doing? Hopefully you have been doing great. Hopefully you have been relaxing and gearing up for a busy season that's coming up. That is my hope for you. Hopefully you guys are getting organized. I wish I could say I was doing all of those things, but of course, your girl been working. Look, I got my hand in a lot of things, so I have not gotten organized. I have not done a whole lot to gear up for this season as far as basket making, but you know I will be getting it together soon, okay? Don't you worry. All right, so we got everything all gathered nicely, as you can see. Like I said, everything is presented well. You can see everything inside the bag, so I am happy with that. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this ribbon and I am just going to tie it. Just tie it in a nice little knot right here, just like this. And let's bring it to the front and we are going to tie it off just like this. All right, so it is definitely coming together. So I had a total of 5. So this was the last one that I did. I love the way it looks. It came out really good. So the next thing I want to do, y'all know I am crazy about flowers. So usually I like to add flowers. So of course you guys know, you've seen these before. I believe these came from Hobby Lobby. They were on sale. I am just taking my wire cutters and I am snipping my little flowers. And what I want to do is add a nice little flower right here onto my my little gift bag here, my little treat bag. And now I'm going to tie it in a knot, okay? Okay. And then when we have it, it is going to look just like this. Just like this, y'all. Perfect. And of course, we are going to curl the ends of our ribbon, just like this. I could add another piece of ribbon to it, but I don't think I'm going to add another piece of ribbon to it, okay? But this is what it looks like, y'all. I've got my little flower, I have my little curly ribbon here hanging from the side. We're going to keep it real easy and real simple. Everything is inside. It's what's inside that's going to matter the most. All right. So we'll put this right here, and I will do the same thing for the next one. It should be something really, really simple, real easy. Presentation is going to be on point. Of course, everything inside is just definitely on brand. Of course, she wanted the bracelet, and I told her that, and she also wanted the spirits. So those were 2 items. So I added the lotion, I added the earrings, and all are from the Kiersy Kay collection. If you guys do not know about Kiersy Kay, I mean, y'all better check it out. Y'all better check it out. Of course, on the page, you will see several items displayed on my page here in YouTube. So definitely take a look at some of the things that I offer. I do customized orders. I do customized bracelets, photo jewelry. So I do a lot here at Kiersy Kay Designs. So y'all make sure y'all check it out. Of course, I'll leave a link down in the description to the full website, so you can check that out. Y'all make sure you like the video. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you are not subscribed. I would love for you to be a part of this community here. We have so much fun. All right, and we are moving right along, you guys. We are moving right along. All right, so we got the last one done with our nice little cute little flower and our goodies on the inside. So what I am going to do next, you guys, I like to take a little bit of essential oils and just dab just a little bit on the center of my flower. That way when they open it, it's a nice floral scent that comes out of the bag that's creating this nice fragrance, you guys. Oh, y'all know I gotta be extra. Y'all know I'm extra, right? So I'm gonna take a little bit of this oil, and I think I picked this up from probably, I wanna say maybe Dollar Tree or something. Like I said, it's just a little bit of fragrance oil. Oh, it smells so good. It actually smells like a rose. So I'm just going to take a little bit, rub it in my fingers, and I am just going to rub it just right in the center of my flower. Just like this, y'all. Just like that is all you need. What they say, just a dab will do. Just a dab will do, okay? All right, so we got all of that done. So let me get this out of the way. So I am going to wash my hands real quick, so I'll be right back. To make sure we wash our hands, we want to wash the oils off of our fingertips because we do not want to get any oil on our bags. So I picked up these nice colorful gift bags from Hobby Lobby. It came 10 in the pack. You have 5 different colors, which is what I really like. So every gift bag is going to be a different color. So we've got the pink, I've got blue, we've got yellow, we have purple, and I've got green. Yes, got green. So these are some really, really nice, beautiful colors. So everyone will have a different color bag. So what I'm going to do is just take these bags, I am not sure what size they are. I guess I could have looked here. These are 5.25 by 8 by 3 inches. That's what it says, 5 by 8 by 3. All right, so I'm going to take it and I am just going to drop it right in the bag. It fits perfect, just like this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect. Drop it right in. Oh my gosh, that oil smells so good, y'all. It smells so good. How many of you actually do that to your flowers? Do you do that? Just let me know. Let me know in the comments if you do that to your flowers, y'all. All right, so I am dropping each one inside of its bag. Real easy, really simple concept. As you can see, I love how it turned out, and I just know she is going to love it. All right, so once I get everything dropped inside of the bag, I also picked up this cute gift tissue. It is a floral flowers. It has different color pinks, yellow, it has the green. So I think it will go with each bag. So each bag will get this gift tissue on the inside. It comes an 8 count. It was $1.49. I want to say it was half off of that, or 40% off, something like that. So y'all know I had to go ahead and snatch that up real quick, because of course presentation is everything. So we want everything to be presented in a nice, beautiful way. So I am going to take one gift tissue sheet and we are going to stuff it on the inside just like this. Bam! Bam! What I could have done was take half of this gift tissue. I could have halved it, y'all. I could have halved it. But I'm going to go ahead and do the whole. I'm going to go ahead and do the whole, okay? Since she paid for me to do the whole, I'm going to go ahead and do the whole, okay? So y'all make sure y'all drop me some hearts in the comments. Y'all let me know that you are feeling this concept. Let me know what you think. Drop me some hearts. Let me know that you love it. Make sure you give me that thumbs up. I appreciate you guys. Per usual, you already know that. I'm thinking about adding just a little cute bow. I have some pool bowls, some really small miniature pool bowls. I feel like I need to use them. So y'all know I might just go ahead and bling it out with a little pool bowl on the side of our gift bag. I think that would be a great idea. I think that would be a wonderful idea, just to make it really, really pop. More and more I'm thinking about it, I'm like, yeah, we need to put a little pool bowl on the side. I've got some different color pool bowls as well, so let me grab those. I do have some pool bowls, so I think I am going to don each bag with a pool bowl. I'm trying to see if I should just match it up with the same color. What y'all think? Should I match it up with the same color bow and bag, or should I switch the bows up? Which one? Y'all help me out. Help me out. Look, I need some help. I need some help. Oh my gosh, this pink looks so cute. So cute. So cute. So I know we have a pink, and then we have yellow. These came from Amazon, y'all. I didn't realize how small they were until I got them in. So I was like, okay, what am I gonna do with these little bitty bows? But as you can see, they have come in handy. They have come in handy. So let's start with the blue. So you open up the pool bowl from the inside. There's a little string on the inside, and you just push it up just like this. This is exactly what it was supposed to do, y'all. I'm so proud. I'm so proud. And now we are going to just attach it to the side of our bag. Yes. I love it when a plan comes together, y'all. I love it, love it, love it when a plan comes together. So I'm going to tie it in a nice little knot just like this. We're going to take one of our strings, hang it on one side and the other on the other. And we are going to curl our ribbon just like this and just like that. What y'all think? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? Yes, yes. I think it did exactly what I hoped it would do. So I'm going to go ahead and add ribbon to the rest of the bags. All right, all right, all right. Y'all know what it means when I start doing my little happy dance. I love it when a plan comes together. I love it when a plan comes together, y'all. I really do. All right, I really do. All right. All right. This purple now, I am loving this purple. Now this purple and then the paper, oh yeah, it's popping. The purple and the paper is popping, y'all. It is popping. Cute, cute, cute. I need to see so many hearts in the comments. When I say I need to see some hearts in the comments, y'all drop me some love in the comments, y'all. Drop me some love. Your girl just came in real quick. Finished up these gift bags. I appreciate y'all so much for rocking with your girl. I appreciate you more than you know. I know y'all get tired of me saying that, but when I say I appreciate you, I appreciate you. All right, so we got 2 down. Tell me that purple ain't popping. Put purple is popping in the comments, y'all. Purple is popping in the comments. Yes, yes. So now we are down to our pink. Yes. Open it up. Boom, just like this. And we are going to drop it on our bag. When I tell you, oh my gosh, it smells so good. When I say that scent is just coming right out of the bag, I mean, it's not too much. And just imagine when they pull the gift tissue out and that fragrance is just gonna whoosh. It's just gonna hit them in the face, y'all. I can imagine it. Can y'all imagine it? Y'all imagine it. Imagine it. It's just gonna hit them in the face. And they were like, oh my goodness, that smells so good. And yeah, that's that Kiersy Kay. Kiersy Kay, yes. She gonna show out every time. Every time. Every time. It's all about the experience, y'all. And you always want to make sure you are creating the best experience possible. All right, come on, curly ribbon. Quit playing with me. Quit playing. There we go. There we go. All right. What else do we have? We have yellow up next. Yellow is up next, y'all. All right, and boom. There we go. And let's tie it off. Now let's curl our string. And now yellow is done. So we have one more. Come on out with the green. Come on out, green. Oh my gosh, y'all. When I say these are so cute, these are so cute. Right. There you have it. There you have it. There you have it. Yes. Yes. All done. All done. This is 5 gift bags that are ready to be delivered. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for another quick basket gift bag concept. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye.